Welcome to the Facebook ads section where you are going to learn about the Facebook ads, that how to implement Facebook ads which are used in different categories. So to implement Facebook ads, first of all you have to log in with your Facebook account, the very first priority. Then you click over here in the create option, you can see create ads. As soon as you click over there, then a new page will open, that is the Facebook ads manager. Now in the Facebook ads manager, you're going to get the entire tools from where you can create Facebook ads, with the help of which you can create the entire Facebook ads. It's the ad manager of Facebook. Now choose a campaign objective. Why are you creating the Facebook ads? To brand awareness, to make your brand to people, to reach, means to reach people that they will come to your website and all these things. Tariff generation, engagement, so that they will engage with your products and services, they will install your apps, they will view your videos. They will lead generation. Lead generation is what? They're going to provide lead to the sign up section and all these pages. If you want a customer to enter the email ID, you can use lead generation. If you want customers to message, you can use message. Conversions will be there. Then it is catalog sales and store traffic. In this video, we will dealing with the reach section. We will cover all the sections one by one in the subsequent videos. So now it is Facebook reach. I means reach means I want people to get to know about my business. Means they will come and they will be getting to know about my business. So it is reach. Continue. Let continue. A new ad campaign has been already been created. It's a complete new look of Facebook Ads Manager. They have upgraded it, I think so. You can give a campaign name. Suppose I am giving a rich Facebook FB rich. You can give it this content. You can give as per your choice. Okay. Then it is your buying type is the auction. Campaign objective is reach. Done. A/B testing. Remember, you don't have to do anything over here. Let it be as off as it is. A/B testing, you don't have to do anything. And just to create next. Then it is you have seen that a new ad set is open in the left hand corner. New ad set. So you can give an ad set name. Here I'm not giving. You can give it that name. You have to select a Facebook page. One thing that must be remembered while doing Facebook ads is that you have to select the Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page, I will be posting one more video where I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page. So if you don't have a Facebook page, you have to create a Facebook page because ads will be only generated through that Facebook page itself. So I will select my Facebook page. Suppose it is Asansol Medical Hub. It is my Facebook page. Fine. Then budgeting and schedule means how much you're going to spend. A very important concept. Budget you can select as daily budget or lifetime budget. I've selected lifetime budget and that suppose is 14,000. As per your budget you can select it. Start date you can select and you can make an end date as well. As per your plan you can do it. Then this section you don't have to do anything. Understanding? So in the budget and scheduling section, what I have done, I have selected my budget, that how much budget I have. You can see over here it is showing reach means 74,074k to 214k people will be reached through your ads. Okay. Now you have selected a start date. From this date your ads will start and this date your ads going to end for 1 month. It's in Kolkata time, India. I'm there in India right now in Kolkata. So it's time you can select as per your wish on the basis of your choice. Now you have to create a new audience. You don't have save audience, you will create a new audience. Now what is audience? Audience means, if you remember in the first video of digital marketing, I told you that you can target audience. Suppose I have a business in India, then I don't want people of America to see my content, to see my ads, because they are not going to purchase from me. Then I have to create an audience. How will create an audience? You will have to search a particular location. I will select on, see, I have selected India. You have to create an, oh sorry, I have to create a new one. Reach audience, create a custom audience, very sorry. You have to create a custom audience. Custom audience Facebook app sources through your website. Okay, now they have changed certain parameters. Save audience you don't have. I have to create new audience. You have to select location. I'm very sorry. You have to come in location. I have problem because it's a new entire paraphase. Previously it was not so. So now you have to select on location. You have to custom audience, means you have to create audience where people are going to see your ads. Edit. People living in or recently in this location, India, or within India. If I want my ads to be visible only in locations like suppose it's New Delhi. Suppose this is Delhi. When people will going to see my ads, it's suppose I've selected Delhi. So in this region of Delhi, that is the capital of India, in this place only people will see my ads because I have a business in Delhi, and in Delhi only people are going to see all my ads. So this is the reach here. This is the reach. Now age group, you can edit age group according to your choice, that at from which age group, the what age group your ads are valid for. You can select it as per your needs. You can select genders, you can edit, and detailed targeting, that is all demographics, means you can select a particular target, means which class of people to show your ads and services. Now if you're saying laptop, you will be targeting those people who are interested to buy laptop. Suppose I will give laptop. My demographic is laptop. Laptop cooler, laptop ThinkPad. I've select laptop. Those who are going to search for laptop, they are going to see my ads. So I've select laptop. Fine. Then placement is automatic placement you can do, or you can do manual placement. Automatic placement means Facebook marketing includes placements in watch, stories, your news feed, and everything. Now what is manual placement? If you select on manual placements, then you can place your ads on Facebook, Instagram, audience network, or messengers. Basically it depends. So here I'm selecting for the time being automatic placement, means in every places your ads will be seen. Now optimize for ad delivery is your reach. You don't have to change anything. You can give bid, means on per ad how much you're going to give bids. You can, it's an optional section, you can give bids or it not, it depends upon you. Then you can get some more option if you want to add this thing, though it is not compulsory. Then you click on next. Now your ad set is complete. Now you have to create an ad. How the ad will actually be looking, let's see how it is being made. Ad name is the new ad, you can change it. Facebook page I've already selected. Instagram account, use selected page. Don't select Instagram account, use selected page. If you have a page, you can basically use it. Instagram account, if you want to link, if you want, you can link from here also. It depends upon your choice. Now this page is loading currently, so it is taking some time. Let this page load. Then you have to ad setup. How you want to set up your ad? You can set up your ad on by giving images only. You can set up ad by using videos also. Here I've selected single image or video, or two or more scrollable images or videos. I've selected single images or video. Okay. Then add an instant experience, full screen mobile ad if you want, you can add. Then you have to change your picture. If you want to add a particular picture that is going to show your ads, you can use it. Let me tell you once again, let me show you how I'm going to make it. See, it is ad creative. Here a particular picture is already selected since I've done beforehand, but if you're going to start it the first time, you will not going to get it. You have to you will get something like this. If I'm going to clear all, this is media. You have to add media, add image or video as per your needs. You can add media. I selected image. Now let's see what happens. This is the post, this is the photos that I have already given in my account. You can even add by upload section. If you go from your computer, you can add pictures as well. Okay, but for the time being I'm going to upload this one, as I have already uploaded it. I will select on continue. I have selected on continue section. Now let's see, you will see a preview of your ads in the right section. See, it is now loading. You can give a primary text. What is primary text, how it will be affected? Let me tell you once. Just give some time so that it will load. It is loading right now. So by doing this, you can create Facebook ads very nicely. See, now it is here you go. Here we go. Facebook ads. It's still loading. It's a big website, so it's taking some time. Primary text you can add. You can add a website URL. If you have a website, you can add website URL as well. See, primary text you can add. See, it's loading over here. For this reason, it's taking some time for this website. See, this type of ad will be seen in a particular timeline of your Facebook. In your Facebook, this one will be seen in your Facebook feed. This one can be seen by people who are going to search regarding a particular products or services. I have given connect with suppose connect with Anurag. I've written over here connect with Anurag. Fine. Then you can see it will change. Connect with Anurag right now. It will change. I can add a website URL if I have. I select this method. I'm going to select this method. But I'm going to select it. You can give a link of your website by the help of which your ads will be created very efficiently. Then add a website URL I've given. This website is taking some time to load. Please wait for a while. It's taking too much time now. It's loading. See, I will return to connect with Anurag. It will be written over here. It's taking some more time this now because they have upgraded the website to a new website, to a new UI. So it's taking some time. You have to wait because a lot of functions are there in this particular section. So you have to wait over here. Then it's connected with Anurag will be shown when there was connected with ABC. You can add a website URL from here, and you can even add other functionalities as the site will load. I'm going to tell you. See, there it is connected with Anurag right now. There it is connected with Anurag right now. There. Now here you can add a particular website if you have. I click over here, add a website URL. Okay, and you can, by selecting this, you can add website. Still its option is coming. It's really hanging so much today. You can give a headline, it's optional. You can give a description, that will be over here. It is a headline. This is the headline. This is your description, and this is your website URL, the display url.com. Here you can give any URL of your choice. Suppose I give over here www. I have given this website URL over here. It's still taking so much of time. I don't know why this time it is taking so much of time. This Facebook Ads Manager, they have upgraded it to a new one now. For this reason, it is taking so much of time. You can add website URL over there. I have given this URL. Now you will see that this will change. A new look will come. So there is ASANSOL medicalhub.com. This is the website associated. This is the section. This is the title of the website. It will be displayed over here. You can even uh, give a particular additional information if you want. Then call to action. Call to action means what? That people are going to see your ads. After seeing this ad, what they are going to do it. Suppose what I want people to apply now, people to book my services, people to call me, people to download something, people to get direction to my business, get quotes, then save, see, sign up, subscribe. Many things are there. Send WhatsApp message. Many options are available. But for here, I will try and learn more. They will click on this learn more button and they will be redirected to the particular website that I have linked just right now. It is the entire process. Now here your website is completed, your ads is completed. Now let this it's taking some time. This, I don't know why so much of time is taking it. uh, it's coming, it's saving right now. You can see it's saving. Then it is Facebook pixel. You don't have to add it because you don't have any pixel yet. If you have, you can even do it very nicely. You can add pixel, you can add if you have, but in this video we are not going to add any pixels. Now it's the view of your entire thing. Let me show you how it will look. See, in feeds it will look like this. In Facebook feed, in Instagram feed, it will look like that because I've selected the automatic placements. I've selected, I didn't select the manual placement. If I want manual placement, if I will select, then I can place my ads on Instagram or Facebook or particular sections. By here you can see that how your ads will appear at different sections in Facebook. This is the entire process of the ads creation. Now if you come down, all edits are saved, and click on publish. The moment you have clicked on publish, you have to give your bank information, bank details, your card number, and all this particular thing. The once you're going to fill up this section, your web ads will be ready on Facebook and actually available in Facebook, and by help of which you can promote your products and services. I think that you have learned a lot from this video. If you have liked this video, please give a like over here, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.